Hello guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Yes, this is my first video and here I'm going to talk about iPhone 14 Pro. The good, the bad and why you should upgrade. Let's start with unboxing first. This video includes unboxing plus review. I know it is too late to post just an unboxing video. So here we go. We have the iPhone 14 Pro. This is space black color. It is amazing. I don't regret buying black color after using it for 1.5 months. This is not an Indian unit, but it is neither US unit. So we have SIM ejection tool. There is, as usual, there is only one Apple sticker. Yes, it is white. Then we have USB-C to Lightning cable. This is the last time we are going to see this. Hopefully, maybe from next year, all the iPhones will have USB-C. I upgraded from iPhone 12 to iPhone 14 Pro. With this, you can see there is a huge camera bump in 14 Pro, which was like negligible size in iPhone 12. Let me pull off this thing and let us see how this dynamic island looks. Now let me set this up. Here we will talk about features. I think there are only two major upgrades when it comes to iPhone 13 Pro and 14 Pro. One is camera module. Of course, we have 48 megapixel main camera sensor now. Let us talk about dynamic island. I know it doesn't sound too good, but maybe we will get used to it. This is going to last for a very long time for iPhones now. At least for around 4 to 6 years, we are going to see iPhones with dynamic island. Hopefully from next year we will see dynamic island even on non-Pro models. Let's hope. And yeah, as I didn't think it is going to be as good as how Apple showed it in the keynote, but I think after using it for 1.5 months, I have been using dynamic island for each and every task, like almost everything, starting from the Face ID to musics, like when we do airdrops, when I connect my AirPods, this cool animation comes up. The alert slider also, like all these things you can see, and it is pretty much like I thought it is going to be a gimmick, but it is very good software and hardware integration which Apple has did. I never imagined something this is going to change the Face ID thing. Okay, now let's see how good this display is. Apple says it has 2000 nits of peak outdoor brightness and 1600 for HDR content indoor. So this is the indoor video which is being played, and you can see iPhone 12 I think has 1000 nits or 800 nits of brightness, and 14 Pro has 1600 for HDR content. You can see it is noticeably high. It is very good, and I don't think in this last 1.5 months I have faced even a little problem with the visibility of this display. Display is amazing and it is very smooth. In camera we do have a few settings with respect to action mode, and I think low light photography, low light action mode is we need to enable that, because I don't think it is going to work very good. But action mode in daytime is amazing. It works flawless. And second thing is we have Pro Raw resolution option now, which is like if we turn it on, we are going to see 48 MP files, which are very huge. I think normal files, if like which I have taken, go up to 75 MB. I think somewhere around 70 MB I have seen each and every file in Pro Raw. Let us take few night photos. You can see pictures are crisp, clear, and yes, it is very good. Like 3x telephoto, 2x camera, 2x camera. Like it is nothing but it is not a dedicated this thing. It is a kind of a digital zoom of our 1x photo. It crops in with the center of 12 megapixel and gives us this. Let us start with how good the cinematic mode in the iPhone 14 Pro is going to be. I have a sample here where you can see the foreground, we have helmets, and later I'm going to change the focus to the background. Yes, so now we know how good the phone is. With this phone, I think you need to consider some cases. Let us unbox this iPhone 14 Pro case from Apple itself. Let us see how good this is and why it is 4,900 rupees. Pull this off. It looks very premium, it is very smooth. If I pull this off, this we have the case, and here it says how to snap that with the iPhone. This black ring means that it is MagSafe compatible, and black ring because this case is of black color, midnight color. Yeah. With this case, it looks very good. The buttons are very sturdy, both the sides, and this gap we have for our alert switch. So overall, this case and this phone is a perfect combination. If you're going for case, and if you don't have any problem with the budget, then please go with this case. This feels amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is my first YouTube video and I want your support to keep going. I'll keep getting a good content. Maybe with your support I can go a little more further. Please support, hit subscribe button, and also like the video if you like it. Thank you so much.